and Dave Gino from Mid-Market.
Hello, Florida! And it's so bad, bring Florida. And I forgot to bring my shades. You must wear our shades because the future of Nielsen looks so bright.
Never did I imagine makapag-host tayo in the US in front of a crowd from different parts of the world. My heart was literally pounding. Fort Lauderdale is such a surprise. Ang ganda! Did I hear it right? Actually, I wasn't able to stand up right away. Congratulations.
Yeah, you as well.
We made it to the President's Club.
We did. How do you feel right now?
I was so shocked.
Yeah.
Dave, you did an amazing job. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Pabalik tayo sa US. Grabe, feeling ko ito yung culmination ng mga pinagdaanan natin. I really worked hard last year. Surreal. Favorite word, surreal. Hello guys from Florida. Fort Lauderdale. To be very specific, Fort Lauderdale City. Napakagandang city. This is Dave the Kuripot Traveler. And for today's video, samahan niyo ako kung gusto niyo lang ma-experience yung isang global summit ng isang kumpanya, global company. Mag-host tayo. It's a bright, sunny day here in Florida. Look. Yan. Ganda, no? Samahan nyo lang ako today, guys. So first, magbe-breakfast tayo. But before that, if you will travel in the Philippines, abroad, US, you can book your activities, hotels, eSIM, other travel items via Klook, and use my promo code DAVEGINOKLOOK para maka-discount kayo. For your hotels naman, pwede rin kayo mag-book sa Agoda. Use my code DAVEAGODA para maka 10% off kayo. Yes. White tayo for today's video kasi naka-white si Emmy, yung partner natin sa hosting. Sabi ni Emmy, di siya nakatulog. Kasi mag-host kami. Hello! Good morning!
You're a reporter or you're vlogging?
I am vlogging. Yeah.
Oh.
So Noni, the beautiful Noni from Indonesia.
Hi!
Happy breakfast!
Yeah, thank you, Dave.
Hi, Jay! So finally, we meet again.
Yeah, we meet again.
Enjoy your breakfast. Okay, let's eat.
About travel or
About
Dave?
Yeah, about travels.
Gino.
Yes, that's right. It's Gino.
Dave Gino.
Yes, correct.
This is yours?
Yeah, that is me.
Wow.
That is me.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Noni. And we have a new character here, Maymay, because I've introduced everyone. So we have a new face here, Maymay from Thailand. Yay! It's so nice to see you finally. I think you're very extrovert.
Yeah.
The first time that we chatted each other, I felt like, oh,
I love to have
people.
many friends. Yeah, I love to have many friends.
That's
yeah.
why.
Yes, I have to know their culture.
And you're wearing, is that a batik or no?
No. Yesterday I wear batik. Batik from Central Java.
Oh.
And then this is Sumba weaving.
Sumba weaving.
Sumba is
not the Zumba dance.
No, not Zumba. SUMBA.
SUMBA.
This is from West Nusa Tenggara. West Nusa Tenggara is next to Lombok. You have
Lombok,
to go
yes.
there.
I love Bangkok. Bangkok was my first solo trip. So Bangkok is special to me. Also Indonesia, the people are warm. I think Southeast Asian people generally were kind-hearted, hospitable, warm. So I'm proud of us. I forgot I have to rehearse, but we have here our food. Okay, let's eat, guys. It's almost 9 and it's gonna start in a while. Kinakabahan ako. Let's go. Di pa naman start, no?
Just like coming from the same side.
Yeah, para tama, pagbaba natin later, di tayo magkalayo, di tayo magpalipat-lipat.
And Dave Gino from Mid-Market City.
Hello, Florida! How everyone doing? All good. You need help. How everyone doing?
So, we just wanted to thank all of you for coming all the way down here. I know we got people from Pacific, from Asia, from Europe. It was a long haul of flights, drives, but we just want to thank you all for coming down here.
And I am Dave, and I lead the Mid-Market Sales for the Philippines. And welcome to the 2025 Nielsen Reva. Let's give a warm and those were impactful words for me and for all of us for sure. And it's so bad, bring Florida. And I forgot to bring my shades.
Oh, no.
Do you have shades, guys? Do you have sunglasses? We must bring that out because we must wear our shades because the future of Nielsen looks so bright.
Oh, kumusta?
Oh my god. That was great. I think we did great. Don't overthink it. Be yourself. Have fun.
It's a nice experience. Like, looking at the crowd, oh my gosh, we're speaking right in front of this powerful people all over the world.
High caliber fun.
Right?
It's very nerve-wracking when you're on stage.
How are you? Oh, really? You like it?
Huh?
You like it? Yeah. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much. Chuck, so okay lang pala.
I guess so.
Okay. People are telling us. Thank you so much. I validated, so people are telling us we did a great job. So I think that's fine. We're just overthinking it.
We're in our head too much.
Okay.
Yeah. Very young, energetic. Yeah.
Oh, young, energetic. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh!
Yeah.
Pearl
and
Shells. Pearl and Shell. This is where Philippines represent. Yes, you have this as well. Yes, because Thailand has beautiful beaches too. Thank you for complimenting my shells. We survived the first part of our hosting. There's such a really good exposure. Kanina kabang-kaba ako before tayo mag-start. Like, my heart was literally pounding. Pero we survived. Picture tayo, Emmy? Or before tayo ma-stress, I mean mahagard. Grabe, Emmy. Hey.
So, nice to meet you.
Nice to
I know
meet you
that
too.
you and I are the top two LinkedIn posters.
Oh, yeah. So it's you.
Go grab a picture with Allison since you and I were like the top two. So that.
Oh my gosh, yeah, so it's you. Alright guys, lunch. We have healthy food here. Variety of food. Maganda ng vibe. Hello. Oh my gosh. I'm seated with leaders. Hello. This is overwhelming. Oh my gosh.
Florida.
Yeah, Florida. So we're already in a breakout session room. Katapos na natin mag-lunch. Kung nakita nyo kanina, nakatabi natin yung mga leaders, the bosses of all bosses. President ng Asia, siya yung tumawag sa atin. Naramdaman kong gusto yung maupo tayo sa table na yun so that we will be able to introduce ourselves and be exposed to those leaders na nakatabi natin kanina. Parang dito natin na ano yung barrier na they're just willing to talk to us just as much as we want to talk to them.
Parang there's no need for red tape or parang
What is red tape?
Parang red tape is like when you need to talk to somebody in the higher position or you need to get something done. You have to go through a lot of people to talk to them. Parang ganun. So, it's a lot to do with like hierarchy. Yeah.
Yung culture dito sa, dati pa naman na-reveal yung company ko, Nielsen. It's so nice. Ayan, may pasnack dito si Mayor. So, kumuha tayo ng pagkain dyan. Pati mga chichirya. Ang sarap nung ang sarap nung brownies. The brownies taste good. Siyempre, tubig lang tayo.
Wish I have time to go there.
Yeah, because it's nice and the weather is so fine. This is the view from our breakout. Hello. Yeah, so pretty.
I saw you taking a picture.
Yeah. So imagine guys, your school is here. Imagine we're college students, and then the view right here, it's so pretty. I think
no one will be in the class.
everyone will go there. Everyone will go there. Let's go to our next class, our final class for today.
Where did you go to college?
Can you guess? Do you know schools in the Philippines?
No, actually.
So why would you ask
So
me?
I can guess Manila.
Alright,
Or
guess a university name.
university name. So
Yeah,
hard.
guess a university name.
Cebu.
It's very easy.
I can't.
Clue.
Clue. Okay.
It's UP.
UP.
Yeah.
University B. British. B.
P.
Boracay.
P.
B.
P, not B. P, as in pines.
A P.
Yeah.
A P. A P. P. University.
University of Boracay.
Pipeline. P. Oh my god. P. Oh my god.
What's the name of my country?
Philippines. Oh my god. University of Philippines.
Of the Philippines.
Nice.
That's so easy to guess. I cannot be the University of Boracay. University of Boracay! Di ko Alright, end of the breakout sessions. Are you gonna sleep?
No, I'm not. If I sleep, I will be more tired.
Right. Hi, let's go for a breather. Oh my goodness, ang layo naman ng tawiran. Ang ganda ng Fort Lauderdale. Natutuwa ako. Ito yung walkway from our hotel to the beach. Ang arkin ng from hotel to the beach. It's almost sunset. Hindi dito nakikita yung sunset. Sa kabila yun. Dito sunrise siya. Ang ganda! May nakasalubong tayong colleagues from Asia. Yung mga Asians talaga nagdidikit-dikit. And then they asked me, where are you going? I told them, I'm going to the beach and reflect about life. This is so beautiful. I mean, the mixture of urbanity, tapos yung dagat. Ganda. Look. Wait, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung surroundings kasi baka puro mukha ko lang nakita nyo sa vlog na to. Ito. Lapit tayo dito. Fort Lauderdale is such a surprise kasi before the event, we never heard about this city. Kasi syempre when we think about Florida, we think Miami agad. Fort Lauderdale, never heard of it. Alas 6 na, may araw pa rin. Bukas parang gusto ko mag-biking kasi may libre daw, may complimentary for biking. Sana kayanin natin magising ng madaling araw. It's just so nice to be here. Like habang nasa session, ninanamnam ko siya. We're on the beach, at the beach, in the beach. Ano bang tama? Comment down below. Charing. Basta nasa beach tayo guys, sarap ng ating hotel. And this day, it's such a day full of milestones. Ayan. It's a milestone day. Kasi first time nating mag-host ng isang global event. Never did I imagine makapag-host tayo in the US in front of a crowd from different parts of the world. Kinakabahan talaga ako at first. Pero nairaos naman natin. Nakakatuwa kasi people were approaching us after we hosted the morning session, then telling us we did a great job, love the energy. Pati yung pinaka-boss, nilapitan din tayo. We did a great job. Tapos we asked, what can we improve? Ganyan. Tapos sabi, no. Don't ask people about constructive criticisms. Kasi baka maguluhan pa kayo. Ayun, so salamat sa opportunity na ito. Yung nagtalaga sa atin na mag-host dito. Yung global commercial lead. Kumbaga, next to CEO. Nakita niya tayong mag-host sa Philippines and I think he liked it. Kaya for this event, here in the US, tayong kinuha alongside my colleague Emmy. Ninanamnam ko yung time na nandito tayo ngayon. Sabi ko nga kanina habang nag-host, like, sabi ko sa crowd, let's make the most out of this. This is our moment. It's not every day that we're in Florida. Also, let's do our best to meet new people. Diba? Because for sure, we'll learn from them. Ayan o, ganda. Di ba nilalamig yung mga tao na naligo? Medyo malamig yung hangin eh. Maybe sanay yan. Sanay na sa dito. May nagja-jogging na nakatopless pa. Ganda ng colors, ng skies. Practice tayo guys. Good evening Florida! Good evening world! And welcome to the first ever 2025 Alright, reception dito sa 4th floor. People are all dressed up and they're going down for the awards night. Hello! Ang ganda! Nakakasosyal. Kinakabahan ulit ako pero we're more relaxed right now kasi mag-host ulit tayo ng dinner mamaya, sa awards dinner mamaya. We're more relaxed versus earlier. We are proud of you, Catherine. You're the only Asian who won an award tonight.
Thank you.
How do you feel? It's your 25th year in Nielsen, right?
Yes. Yes.
How does it feel?
I feel that, together we grow together. So, yes, of course we dream big, but without you guys' support, this is not possible. So, which means this award should go to all of you guys. My team members, my peers, my colleagues, my boss, my bosses.
So happy for you because actually you're very supportive as a person, and I like it that I'm able to support you right now.
Thank you.
And you inspire us, the Asians. Mag-alas 12 na. Cheers! Binigyan tayo ng voucher ng reception because she's a Filipina. So we ordered. Nakakaloka pala yung drink ni Heinzel. Nasa $24 yan. How much in pesos? Ito sa 200. Ang mahal ng drinks dito. I miss the Philippines.
Mas mahal sa BGC.
Mas mahal sa BGC?
Mas mahal kaysa sa BGC.
Yan, yung mga colleagues namin from Australia. Grabe, umiinom pa rin yung mga tao. So sabi ko kanina sa isip ko, although pagod na ako, minsan lang naman tayo dito and we have to maximize. And I'm just drinking wine.
I like the vibe.
Ginagaya mo ba ako? I love the vibe. It's so surreal.
Napaka-surreal. Ika nga.
Ika nga.
Back to the stage, Emmy and Dave.
Because here in Nielsen, especially in this event, I've gotten a bigger picture of what Nielsen is, and it's full of love.
I know.
Alright? Okay, that's great. One thing, I think the most impactful thing that I've ever heard in my career, in 7 years next month, I was at my lowest, and my manager, she told me when I was at my lowest, on my birthday, I won't give up on you. So imagine that was so impactful. And I thought,
Di na ako nakapag-intro kanina. Dito tayo nagising. Today is a better day. More relaxed day for us. Feeling ko more relaxed na kami sa stage. Regina, I have to immortalize this. Say no without her.
No!
No. No.
That was good. We were thinking how to say no.
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 Yeah, that's good. Perfect. You say no. Say no.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
As though I'm like in the awards.
You what?
Like in the Oscar awards.
Really?
Sometimes he's always on a call and you don't speak that way. And then now you're like, wow, so charismatic and so engaging. And
charismatic!
Like in the office, he's like this.
Really?
He's like, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we love saying. It's like a normal Saturday, a normal Wednesday afternoon.
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you.
And you as well. Yeah, very good.
Oh, thank you.
I told him to go to the Philippines, meet us in Manila, and let's go to Siargao. This other place? Baguio. And I'm telling him, Japan, one of the best. It's one of the best countries that I've ever visited. But you think Philippines is the best?
It's the best.
You've been there, right?
Yeah.
In Coron?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you think it's the best?
I think the fruits.
The fruit.
Yeah. I ate the jackfruit
Oh.
in Philippines. The jackfruit is the best fruit in the world.
Wow, the best fruit in the world. Arigato gozaimasu. DeAndre. DeAndre. Did I hear it right? Actually, I wasn't able to stand up right away. Where is the trip?
We've been in the US.
In the US. Oh, amazing. Congratulations.
You as well.
We made it to the President's Club.
We did.
I think we should vlog it because you just got your new camera.
How do you feel right now?
I was so shocked.
Yeah.
I was so shocked.
Yeah.
Because there's no update about it. How about you?
So proud.
You feel proud?
Yeah. Excited.
Excited. So DeAndre is from Chicago and he's one of the top performers.
Oh, I'm with one of them too.
Oh my God. So I see you in the US again for the luxury trip.
Oh yeah.
Let's message each other on IG. Alright. Hi Mark.
Dave, you did an amazing job.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much.
I'm so happy.
Insuk, congratulations. We'll be together.
Yeah. Do you know where you go?
US. There's a luxury trip in the US. Thank you. I did to recover. I need to recover. I was so shocked.
He's in shock. You couldn't believe it. You didn't know if you were standing up, sitting down.
Amy, the amazing Amy. It's so nice meeting you finally in person
It's
here
great
in
to
Florida.
meet you too. Yeah, and you did a great job. You were just wonderful as an MC. It was really, really good.
Thank you so
really
much.
enjoyed it. Yeah.
I hope I see you again next time.
I hope so too. Yes, definitely next time.
Thank you, AK. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye.
Grabe yung araw na to. Surreal. Favorite word, surreal. We just made it. It was announced earlier. We made it to the President's Club. So these are the top performers globally ng Nielsen. So wow. Grabe. So may free luxury trip tayo dito sa US. I'm not sure where it is, pero dito sa US mangyari yung free trip. Babalik tayo sa US. Babalik tayo sa US. Grabe, feeling ko ito yung culmination ng hirap natin. I mean, yung mga pinagdaanan natin, I really worked hard last year while, habang sinasabay yung content creation as a passion. And it just feels so nice. Last night na natin dito sa Florida. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa atin sa naging journey natin dito sa summit na to, from hosting until sa, oh my gosh, kasama tayo sa President's Club. Something that I didn't really expect, but hard work pays off! Maraming salamat! So this trip has been really worthwhile. Once in a lifetime, dami nating na-meet, and this is something that we'll treasure forever. Okay? Daming learnings, new memories. I'm glad I took a lot of photos. At least, may babalikan tayo. Our first time in the US, and grabe, it's a blast. Hashtag feeling blessed. Hey! There's you! I'm closing my vlog.
What are we talking about on the vlog?
I'm just closing it. I'm just saying it's my first time in the US, and hashtag I'm feeling blessed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy to feel blessed.
Sorry?
It's easy to feel blessed. We're surrounded by great people, good food, drinks, to feel blessed.
To feel blessed. Okay, it's easy to feel blessed.
The vibes are up. Pretty chill.
Is it starting right?
Yeah.
Because I want to enjoy, say goodbye. Sample ng kabutihan ng mga namit natin dito. This is Dave, the Pulipot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!